A very good morning to all my dear children. In today's EVS class, we are going to continue with the lesson number 11, our Earth. So last class we discussed about our Earth, isn't it? So you all know about little about Earth, right? Yes. So now we'll have a recall of that what we have studied in previous class. So where do we live? Where do we live? We live on the earth, isn't it? Where do we live? We live on the earth. So our lesson name is our earth. It is our home. Earth is our home, right? So we live on the earth. So we are going to see about our earth. It is the third planet in the solar system. It is the third planet in the solar system. We have altogether 8 planets in the solar system. Sun, it will be in the center, and the other planets, it will be revolving around the sun. So Earth is the third planet in the solar system. Earth is the third planet, EARTH. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is about, this is sun, and the distance between sun to earth is about 150 million kilometer. It is about 150 million kilometer from the sun. The earth is the only planet that sustains life. The earth is the only planet that sustains life. Only on the planet earth life is possible. So we can get air, water. So life is possible only on the planet earth. The earth is the only planet that sustains life. So now what is the shape of the earth? Last class we discussed, right? Now tell me what is the shape, how it looks like. It looks like sand. Yes. What is the shape of the earth? Its shape. The earth is shaped like an orange. Earth is shaped like an orange, and it will be round, and at the and it will be little flat at the top and bottom. Just see the top and the bottom. It is not full round shape. At the top and the bottom it will be little flat. The earth is shaped like an orange. It is like an orange. Have you all seen orange, right? Fruit, orange fruit. So it will be like an orange, round and slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. Now tell me what is the shape of the earth? It looks like an orange, and it is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. So we know on earth is covered with land, air and water. Earth is covered with air, water, and about 29% of the earth's surface is land. About 29% of earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands, and remaining 71% is covered with water. Mostly 3/4 of the part of the earth is covered with water. All the three sides it will be water, only one side we have land. Remaining 71% is covered with water, mostly by oceans, lakes and rivers. So earth is covered with land, water and air. Now tell me what is the shape of the earth? Yes, it looks like an orange. It is round in shape, slightly flat at the top and bottom. It is not exactly round shape. It will be flat at the slightly. It will be flat at the top and the bottom. Now, we share the earth with plants and other animals. Plants and other animals are also in the. It is also on the earth, isn't it? So we share the earth with plants and other animals. So other animals and plants also exist on the earth. The earth is covered with land, water and air. What is the earth is covered with? Earth is covered with air, land and water. So these are the three things: land, L-A-N-D, land, water and air. Earth is covered with land, water and air. So now we'll see about land. We have different types of land. So till that we have seen, right? So we have different types of land. What are the different types of land? Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. What are the different types of land? Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. Name the different kinds of land. Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. And what are plains? It's a large area of flat land. How it will be? It will be like a flat land. A large area of flat land is called a plain. Just see this picture. This is a flat land, isn't it? Large area of flat land is called a plain. So land, we live on land, right? Our earth, we live on land. So we have land, different types of land. Plain, hill or a mountain, desert. First we'll see about plain. Large area of flat land is called a plain. So some crops will grow on this plains. Crops grow well on these plains. What are the crops? Rice, wheat, maize, pulses. Some crops grow well on these plains. So what are plains? It is a large area of flat land. How it will be? It is a flat land. That is called as plains. And what is hill or a mountain? How it will be? It will be flat? No, it is a very high land. How it will be? It is a very high land. It is a very high land. Very high land is called a hill or a mountain. Some crops like tea and coffee grow well in hilly areas. So many, when you go for hill stations, you can see more tea plantations, right? Tea and coffee plantations. These grow well in hilly areas. Tea and coffee grow well in hilly areas. Very high land is called a hill. Then deserts. What do you mean by deserts? It is also a large area of land that has very little water. You can see only little water in the desert because there is only less rainfall there, and where very few plants grow is called a desert. Only few plants will grow. You cannot see more plants and trees in the desert, and many deserts are covered with sand. How it is covered? It is covered with sand. Just see this picture. Many deserts are covered with sand. What do you mean by desert? A large area of land that has very little water and very few plants grow is called a desert. Only few plants grow here. Plants like cactus grows here, and many deserts are covered with sand. Now next we'll see about water. So next we'll see about water. So earth is covered with, what is earth is covered of? Earth is covered with land, water and air, isn't it? Earth is covered with land, water, air. So land we saw, land we have three different types: plain, hill or a mountain, desert. Now we are going to see about water. As we all know, 3/4 of earth is covered with water, isn't it? A large part of the earth is covered with water. There is water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. Where do we find water? Where can we find water? Oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. So our earth is covered with mostly of water. Yes, 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Remaining 29% only, 79% is covered with water, and only 21% is covered with land. So most of the place is covered with water. A large part of the earth is covered with water. There is water in, where can you find water? Oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. We can see water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. Just see this picture. I think you all have gone to oceans, right? Oceans, lakes. Have you all seen lake? Yes. And rivers. So ponds. So you can see water in all these places. You can find water in ocean, lakes, rivers, So this is a river. Ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Ocean. Lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Ocean, O-C-O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Where can you find the water? We can find the water in oceans. Lakes, L-A-K-E, lakes. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Then ponds. So many places we can see water. So earth, mostly earth is covered with water. A large part of the earth is covered with water. There is water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. What are the uses of water? What for this water is used? Tell me any one use of water. Can you tell me any one use of water? What for where we use water? We need water to drink. So what we are drinking? We need water to drink, isn't it? Without water we cannot stay for a long time, right? So we need water to drink. For drinking purpose, water is needed. So we need water to drink. Then for what purpose? Then cook our food. Your mom will cook food with water, right? With the with the use of water. To drink, cook our food. And to clean the vegetables we are using also water, right? Cook our food, wash our clothes. Wash our clothes. How we'll wash our clothes? With the help of water, isn't it? Wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean. And keep ourselves clean. How we'll keep ourselves clean? We have to take bath, right? So with the help of water, we are keeping ourselves clean. So what are the use of water? It is used for drinking purpose. Then cook our food, for cooking, for drinking, cooking. Then to wash our clothes and to keep ourselves clean. So water is main essential part of our life. So we need water too. What are the use of water? What are the uses of water? For drinking purpose, cooking, for drinking, cooking and to wash our clothes and then to keep ourselves clean. To keep ourselves clean. So we need water and our earth is mostly covered with water and these water is found, it is in oceans, rivers, lakes and pond. We need water to drink, cook our food, wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean. We should use water carefully and should not throw garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. So we should use the water carefully. We should not waste water, isn't it? So we should use the water carefully and should not throw garbage. So some people, they will throw the garbage in the rivers, oceans and seas. That is not correct. So we should not throw the garbage and other waste in the rivers and seas. That is wrong. We should not throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. It makes the water dirty. If you throw garbage into the water, what will happen? That water will become dirty, isn't it? So we should not throw the garbage and other waste into the river or rivers or seas or lakes. That is wrong. So what is the main use of water? Water is used for cooking, drinking, then to wash our clothes and then to keep ourselves clean. And we should not waste water. We should use water carefully and we should not waste that and should not throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. We should not throw the garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. What will happen if you throw garbage into the river or seas? Then water will become dirty. So it makes the water dirty. It makes water dirty. So you should not throw the garbage into the seas and oceans. Just see here, garbage dumped in a river. Garbage dumped in a river. Is that correct to dump all the waste materials in the river? Just see, it is a river. Their waste materials they are dumping into the river. What will happen? Then that water will become dirty, isn't it? So we should not throw the garbage or any other waste materials into the. We should not throw garbage or any other waste materials into the rivers or seas. Any other thing we should not do like that. Then the water will become dirty and we cannot drink that. So just see this picture. So they are dumping the garbage. See the garbage into this river. So this water will get dirty. So we should not do like that. Next. So now earth is covered with land, air and water. We saw about land, water. Most of the earth is covered with water, isn't it? And now air, we are going to see about air. Can you see air? Can you see air? Have you seen air? Yes, you cannot see. Only we can feel it. Only we can feel it. So can you see air? Have you seen air? No, we cannot see. We can only feel it. We can only feel it. We cannot see air. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. We can only feel. When the cool breeze comes, we can just feel the air, isn't it? So we can only feel the air. We cannot see that. About air, we cannot see air. We can only feel it. We can only feel it. Just see this girl. She is standing nearby a corridor and she is enjoying the cool breeze, air, fresh air. So we cannot see air. We can feel. We can only feel it. We breathe in air. We breathe in. We breathe in air. So what do we breathe? We breathe in air. So living things cannot live on earth without air. Can you live without air? Can you live without air? No, we cannot live, right? So air is the most important thing. Air, water, that is the most important thing. And what do we breathe? We breathe in air. So living things cannot live on earth without air. Without air, we cannot live for long time, right? So maybe for some hours we can live, but without air, without fresh air, we cannot live. Living things cannot live on earth without air. So can you see air? No, only we can. We cannot see air. Only we can feel it. Only we can feel the air. And we breathe. What do we breathe? We breathe in air. Living things cannot live on earth without air. So we cannot live without air. We get everything that we need from the earth. We get everything that we need from the earth. So what are things that we get only from our earth, isn't it? Air, water, land, everything we get from our earth. We must take care of it too. So what we should do? We should take care of our earth. We should not pollute it. So we should take care of our earth. We should plant more trees. We should take care of it. We get everything that we need from the earth, isn't it? So we get what all the water that we get only from our earth, then land, then air, everything we get from earth. So we must take care of it too. We should take care of it. We should not make the air and water dirty. We should not make the air and water dirty. Is that correct to make the air and water dirty? No. So if the air is dirty, what will happen? That air, if we breathe, we'll get some problems, right? Health issues. So we are only going to get affected by this. So we should not make the air and water dirty. We must not cut trees or harm animals. What we should not do? We must not cut trees. What does the trees give? Gives us fresh air, isn't it? So we should not cut trees. Trees will give oxygen to us. That only we are breathing. So we must not cut trees or harm animals. So we should plant more trees so that we'll get fresh air. So we must not cut trees or harm animals. We should not harm the animals also. That is also living on the earth, right? We should not harm the animals also, and we should not make the air and water dirty. We should keep our surroundings, our earth clean. Because only on the planet earth life is possible. So we should keep that neat and clean, isn't it? So what we saw in today's class. So Earth is the third planet from the solar system. And what is the shape of the Earth? It is ellipsoid shape, we'll see, but it is like a round shape, not exactly round. It will be slightly flat at the top and the bottom. And Earth is covered with land, water and air. Earth is covered with land, water and air. We have seen different types of land. Plains, deserts and mountains. And today we saw about water. Water is the most important thing, isn't it? Water, out of mostly Earth is covered with water. Earth is covered mostly of water. Then what else we saw today? So we should use of water we saw. And we can find water in oceans, seas, lakes and river. And we need water to, what is the use of water? Drinking purpose, to cook our food, right? Cook our food, wash our clothes. How will you wash your clothes? With the help of water. And keep ourselves clean. How will you take bath? How will you keep yourself clean? With the help of water. So we need water to drink, cook our food, wash our clothes and keep ourselves clean. We should use water carefully, and we should not throw the garbage into the garbage and other waste into the rivers and seas. It makes the water dirty. So we should not throw the garbage into the rivers and seas. And about air, can you see air? No, we cannot see air. Only we can feel the air. So we breathe in air, isn't it? We breathe in air. Living things cannot live on earth without air. So we cannot live without air. We get everything that we need from the earth. So we must take care of it too. We should take care of our earth. It is our duty to take care of earth. We should not make the air and water dirty. We must not cut trees or harm animals. Go through this lesson. Just go through the full lesson. If you have any doubts, we'll see. Just revise each and every. Just read line by line. Then next class, we'll just read the entire lesson. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.